The store you choose can make a bargain expensive before you even reach the shelf. A simple card, a pair of basic readers, or a plastic pill box can cost several times more at a pharmacy than a similar item at Dollar Tree. Of course, a low price does not always mean a smart purchase, but some everyday products are worth checking before you spend $5, $10, or even $20 somewhere else. Dollar Tree has changed. Many locations now carry several price points, and selection varies by neighborhood, shipment, and season. Even so, many useful products are still cheap enough to offer real savings, especially for retirees, caregivers, and families watching monthly expenses. This guide explains which products may offer good value, what problems to watch for, and how to compare them before buying. Stay through item 11 because that purchase is not only about money, it may help make a home safer. The goal here is not to tell you that every item is perfect. It is to help you notice where a simple product may do the same job for much less money. As we go, think about what you already buy, how often you replace it, and whether a cheaper version would work for you. A saving may not seem important once, but repeated over a year, it can make a difference to your budget overall. Today, we are counting down $13 tree finds that can help seniors stretch a fixed income without sacrificing usefulness. We will also point out where quality, sizing, or safety deserves extra attention. Prices can change, so check the shelf label and compare unit cost. So which small changes could leave more money in your budget? Number 1. Non-prescription reading glasses. Readers have a strange habit of disappearing exactly when you need them. One pair ends up beside the bed, another gets left in the car, and a third somehow travels home with a visiting relative. Replacing each pair at a drugstore can become surprisingly expensive. Dollar Tree commonly carries basic reading glasses in multiple strengths and frame styles, often for far less than pharmacy prices. The key point is that these are simple magnifiers, not prescription glasses made for your eyes. They are intended for people who need the same simple magnification in both eyes. They do not replace an eye examination, and they may be inappropriate when your eyes require different prescriptions or when you have headaches, sudden vision changes, or an eye condition. Remember, readers are not prescription eye care. For normal close-up tasks, however, inexpensive readers can make very useful backup pairs. Try them briefly in the store if packaging permits. Make sure words look clear, the frame sits comfortably, and the lenses do not create obvious distortion. Then, place pairs where you actually use them, near your favorite chair, beside the recipe books, at a desk, and in a travel bag. Convenience can be a savings tool too. Instead of guarding one costly pair all day, several affordable pairs may reduce frustration and unnecessary replacement trips. But the next item may expose an even bigger markup on something used only once. Number 2, greeting cards. A thoughtful message should come from the heart, not from an expensive piece of paper. Birthday, sympathy, anniversary, congratulations, and thank you cards can cost several dollars each at specialty shops and pharmacies. Dollar Tree often stocks inexpensive cards across many occasions, including multi-packs or value-priced choices. The design may be simpler, the paper may feel lighter, and embellishments may be limited. Yet the recipient usually remembers your handwritten words more than the thickness of the cardstock. That makes greeting cards an easy place to save money without making your message feel less personal. Here is an easy system. Buy a small assortment before you need it. Keep several birthday cards, 2 sympathy cards, a thank you card, and a blank card in one labeled envelope or drawer. Add stamps and a working pen. When an occasion arrives, you can respond promptly rather than making a rush trip and buying the first expensive card you see. Would a friend value glitter and foil more than a sincere memory written in your own hand? Usually not. Personalize the inside with one specific sentence about the person. That single detail can make a $1 card feel more meaningful than a costly generic message. The next bargain looks simple, but choosing the wrong type can cause confusion, so price is not the only thing that matters. Number 3, weekly medication organizers. A pill organizer can help people remember whether a scheduled dose has already been taken. Dollar Tree may carry basic 7-day boxes, travel cases, and organizers with more than one compartment per day. Similar plastic containers can cost considerably more in pharmacies or medical supply aisles. Choose one based on your actual routine. Large print day labels help when vision is limited. Easy open lids matter when arthritis reduces grip strength. Multiple daily sections may be useful for morning and evening schedules, but too many compartments can become confusing. Before filling any organizer, confirm the plan with your medication list, pharmacist, caregiver, or clinician. Some medicines should remain in original packaging because of moisture, light, timing, identification, or safety concerns. An organizer also does not explain interactions or misdose instructions. It is a memory aid, not medical advice. That is why even the cheapest box only helps when the medication plan around it is correct. Once the organizer is approved for your routine, fill it in a quiet, well-lit place. Compare each medicine with a current written list. Keep the list nearby and avoid filling the box while distracted. A second, inexpensive organizer can be reserved for travel, but never carry unidentified pills through situations where labels may be required. Number 4. Eyeglass repair kits. A loose hinge can quickly turn useful glasses into a crooked and frustrating problem. Small repair kits often include a miniature screwdriver, tiny screws, nose pad pieces, or a compact storage tube. Dollar Tree versions may cost a fraction of kits sold near optical counters. Keep one where you can find it before a problem happens. A brightly labeled container in a kitchen drawer is better than a tiny kit buried beneath batteries and old keys. Another can stay in a travel pouch. Work over a light-colored towel so drop screws do not bounce away or disappear into carpet. These kits are best for minor tightening and simple replacement parts. They will not safely repair cracked lenses, bent metal requiring alignment, or damaged prescription frames. Over-tightening can strip a screw or stress the hinge. If the glasses are valuable, progressive, or structurally damaged, an optician remains the better choice. For inexpensive readers and sunglasses, though, a small kit can extend their life and prevent an unnecessary replacement. It may seem unimportant until the morning you suddenly need it. The fifth item makes small print easier to read, and there is a good reason to buy more than one type. Number 5. Magnifying tools. Medication directions, appliance labels, expiration dates, and instruction sheets often use print that feels unnecessarily small. Dollar Tree may stock handheld magnifiers, flat-page magnifiers, or compact versions that fit in a purse. The quality can vary, but a decent one can handle most quick reading jobs. Test for clarity before relying on it. Hold the magnifier at different distances from the page rather than pressing it directly against the text. Look for a comfortable viewing area without severe warping around the center. A larger lens may be easier for bills and books, while a small lens is more convenient for shopping labels. Keep one near the medicine area, one where mail is opened, and one in a bag. Good lighting often improves readability as much as magnification, so pair the tool with a bright lamp. If text suddenly becomes harder to read, straight lines appear wavy, or one eye seems noticeably worse, arrange professional eye care rather than simply increasing magnification. Next is a category where one cheap tool may help sore hands every day. Number 6. Kitchen utensils and grip helpers. Dollar Tree kitchen aisles can include spatulas, measuring cups, peelers, serving spoons, tongs, funnels, whisks, and jar gripping pads. Not every tool will outlast a premium version, but many basic utensils perform simple jobs adequately. For seniors, the most valuable finds may be rubber grippers and easy hold opening tools. A stubborn lid can be more than irritating when arthritis, weakness, tremor, or reduced hand sensation is involved. A textured pad increases friction, allowing the palm to assist instead of forcing fingertips to squeeze harder. Some stores also carry strap-style or multi-size openers. Check whether the tool feels stable and whether its edges are comfortable. Avoid thin utensils that bend sharply, handles with rough seams, or tools that place fingers close to blades. For can openers, inspect the cutting wheel and turning mechanism carefully. A poorly functioning opener can slip, leave sharp edges, or demand more force than it saves. A low price should never matter more than safety. A $1 grip pad that makes breakfast easier is genuine value. The next aisle can help organize leftovers, but the biggest looking package is not always the best value. Number 7. Food storage containers and disposable serving pans. Cooking at home can save money, yet leftovers need containers that stack, seal, and fit the portions you actually eat. Dollar Tree often sells small sets of plastic containers, reusable bowls, and foil pans. These can be useful for soup, cut fruit, meal preparation, or sending food home with family. Start by checking quantity and capacity. A low shelf price can hide a small package. Compare the number of containers and their volume with supermarket or warehouse options. Inspect lids for warping and make sure they snap on evenly. Look for food use labeling and follow microwave, freezer, and dishwasher instructions exactly. Replace containers that become cracked, deeply scratched, cloudy, or unable to close. Avoid heating foods in plastics not labeled for that purpose. For long-term use, glass may be more durable, but inexpensive plastic containers can still serve cold storage, dry snacks, or giveaway meals. Foil pans can be practical when bringing a casserole to a neighbor, community gathering, or family event. Place flexible pans on a rigid baking sheet before filling or moving them, and follow oven directions. Now for a purchase that can turn family memories into a wall display without turning your receipt into a major project. Number 8. Picture frames. Photographs matter because of the people in them, not because of what the frame costs. Dollar Tree typically carries lightweight frames in common sizes, making it possible to display grandchildren, vacations, celebrations, or older family portraits at modest cost. Examine the corners, backing tabs, stand, and hanging hardware before buying. Some frames are better suited to a shelf than a wall. Lightweight plastic may be safer in a busy hallway than fragile glass, especially around children or pets. If the frame includes glass, check carefully for chips and transport it upright. For a polished arrangement, use several matching frames and unify photographs with similar cropping. Lay everything on the floor first, adjust spacing, and photograph the arrangement before hanging. Removable paper templates can help position nails without repeatedly lifting the frames. Add names and dates to the back of every picture. Future generations may treasure that information more than any decorative frame. The 9th item disappears into the trash quickly, which is exactly why paying extra rarely makes sense. Number 9. Gift bags, tissue, ribbon, and basic wrapping supplies. A gift can look cheerful without costing much. Gift bags, tissue paper, bows, ribbon, tags, and small boxes are among the most consistently useful dollar store categories. The item serves its purpose briefly, and many bags can be reused several times. Before buying wrapping paper, check roll dimensions rather than judging by the package. Some inexpensive rolls contain less paper or tear easily. Gift bags are often the simpler value because they save time and require less dexterity. Choose sturdy handles, reinforce the bottom for heavier gifts, and never lift a bag beyond what its construction can support. Create a small wrapping station at home. Store flat bags by size, fold tissue neatly, and keep tape, scissors, cards, and tags together. Save attractive bags you receive, remove old labels, and reuse them. That is not being cheap. It is simply avoiding waste. Pair an inexpensive bag with a card from earlier, then make the gift feel personal through color, a handwritten tag, or a small photo. What gets remembered? The $5 bow or the care behind the present? The next category can be a bargain, but only shoppers who compare package size will know when to walk away. Number 10. Cleaning tools and selected supplies. Scrub brushes, sponges, microfiber cloths, spray bottles, dusters, gloves, and small cleaning accessories can deliver strong value because they wear out over time. Dollar Tree often offers versions suitable for routine household jobs at a low entry cost. Focus first on tools, not brand promises. A basic brush either reaches the grout line or it does not. A microfiber cloth either picks up dust or leaves it behind. Check stitching, handle attachment, bristle firmness, and glove thickness. Avoid products with harsh edges or a strong chemical smell from the packaging. Liquids require more comparison. A low-price bottle may contain fewer ounces, need more product per use, or be less concentrated. Calculate approximate cost per ounce and consider performance. Read labels, ventilation directions, and surface warnings. Never combine cleaners unless the label specifically instructs it. Dangerous gases can result from mixing common products. For seniors, lighter spray bottles can reduce strain, but overly small triggers may be uncomfortable. A caddy with only the products needed for one room can prevent carrying heavy bottles throughout the house. Keep floors dry, store supplies securely, and avoid standing on stools to reach high areas. The lesson is simple. Basic cleaning tools may be worth buying, while liquids should be compared by size, directions, and performance. Now we reach the safety item mentioned earlier, where good placement matters more than a low price. Number 11. Night lights and battery-powered lights. Dark hallways, unfamiliar guest rooms, stairs, and the path to the bathroom can become hazardous after sunset. Dollar Tree may sell plug-in night lights, small push lights, battery candles, or compact flashlights. When used properly, these products can improve visibility without costing much. Place light where it reveals changes in level, doorways, obstacles, and bathroom fixtures without shining directly into sleepy eyes. Secure cords, remove loose rugs, and keep walking paths clear. Battery lights can help inside closets or during an outage, but adhesive-backed models should be tested so they do not fall unexpectedly. Check battery requirements before buying. Sometimes the batteries cost more than the light. Inspect compartments for secure covers, especially in homes visited by children. Replace leaking batteries safely and do not rely on a decorative tap light as the only emergency flashlight. Plug-in products should fit firmly, show no cracking, and carry appropriate safety markings. If an outlet is loose, warm, scorched, or sparks, stop using it and seek qualified help. For stairs or frequent nighttime movement, brighter motion sensing products from a reputable source may be a better investment. A tiny light cannot prevent every fall, but better visibility supports safer movement. Combine lighting with handrails, updated vision checks, suitable footwear, and clutter-free floors. The 12th item is inexpensive, easy to carry, and can make quiet time more enjoyable. Number 12, puzzle, activity, and coloring books. Crosswords, word searches, number puzzles, coloring pages, and simple activity books can provide entertainment without subscriptions or screens. Dollar Tree often stocks seasonal and general interest options that are easy to keep beside a chair, take to an appointment, or include in a care package. Choose a format that feels enjoyable rather than frustrating. Large print books can reduce eye strain. Easier puzzles may build confidence, while harder ones offer a longer challenge. Use a comfortable pen or pencil in good lighting. Stop if the activity causes headache or fatigue. These books do not guarantee protection from memory loss, and they should not be marketed as treatment. Their value is simple. They support attention, language, problem solving, relaxation, and an enjoyable daily routine. Doing a puzzle with another person also creates conversation and companionship. Consider making a small waiting bag with a puzzle book, reading glasses, pencil, tissues, and water. Keep it ready for appointments. For a friend recovering at home, combine a book with tea, a note, and a phone call. The gift is inexpensive, but the message is not. A modest gift can still carry generous attention. Our final item can avoid bag fees, organize the car, and help protect groceries on the way home. Number 13, reusable tote bags. A tote bag becomes useful when it is ready at the right time. Dollar Tree may carry standard reusable bags, zippered totes, or insulated styles depending on the season. They can hold groceries, library books, craft supplies, church materials, or items for a visit with family. Check handles, seams, and weight capacity. A large bag is not automatically strong. Avoid overloading one side of the body, especially if balance, shoulder pain, or back problems are concerns. Two smaller bags may distribute weight better than one heavy tote. Keep cold foods in an insulated bag and minimize the time they spend in a warm vehicle. Fold several bags and store them where they will actually be remembered. Inside the car, beside the front door, or clipped to a shopping cart. Clean them according to their material, particularly after carrying meat, produce, or leaking containers. Assign separate bags for food and household chemicals. Before shopping, remember the main lesson. A low sticker price is not the same as a low total cost. Compare size, durability, safety, and how often the item will be used. Food, batteries, cleaners, and frequently used tools may cost less per use elsewhere. Inventory changes, and a product that was excellent last month may not be available today. Make a list before entering. It is inexpensive is not a reason to buy something you do not need. 10 impulse purchases can erase the savings from the 3 smart ones. Check receipts, shelf labels, return rules, and package quantities. When possible, compare unit prices with another store using a calculator. The best products on this list have something in common. They perform a straightforward job, require little advanced engineering, and are easy to inspect before purchase. Cards carry messages, frames display memories, grippers add friction, totes carry items. These examples show when a cheaper version may be good enough. Which of these 13 products would save you the most this month? And what Dollar Tree item has worked surprisingly well in your home? If this educational guide helped you shop with more confidence, share this with a friend or family member who wants to protect a fixed income without giving up useful comforts. Here is one final rule for your next trip. Do not chase the cheapest item. Choose the safest, lowest cost product that does the job. Smart spending is not deprivation, it is choosing with purpose. Write your best find in the comments, along with anything you believe shoppers should skip. Your experience may help someone else avoid a poor purchase or discover a simple tool that makes daily life easier.